How to recover your X without your original email. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you're going to do is open the X application or the website and click on login. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and click on forgot password and enter your username and click on search. Now, once your account is found, you can simply go ahead and text a code to your phone, which is going to be the easiest way to go ahead and get it. Click on I don't have any or access to any of these if you don't have it either. You can also try to upload ID and verify your account and get it back. But if it still doesn't work, click on none of these work and then simply go ahead and enter the account creation date and location, and then they're going to send you a link to reset your password on your mobile number. Enter that verification code and upload your ID and you'll be able to create new password. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.